If equipped, the ParkSense rear park assist system uses sensors in the rear bumper to scan for obstacles behind you anytime you shift into reverse at speeds below 7 miles per hour or 11 kilometers per hour. When the system detects an obstacle, you'll hear a tone and the Park Assist warning will appear in your instrument cluster display. The system will show arcs in the area of the obstacle based on its relative distance and location. As you approach the obstacle, the arcs will move and the tone will change from slow to fast to continuous. To turn the system on or off, push the ParkSense button on the faceplate, just below the Uconnect display. Just make sure you're in park. To adjust the system, from the touchscreen settings menu, select Safety and Driving Assistance, then select ParkSense and adjust it to your liking. Always keep the rear bumper free of dirt, snow, ice, and debris to ensure proper system function. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.